Hi, good morning. My name is Rachel Kowalenko. How are you guys doing? I just want to give you my introduction, answer these questions. My name is Rachel, and right now I'm completing my last year. I'll be graduating in December, and I've been working at with people living with HIV. So I do part of my clinical hours in an infectious disease clinic at Hackensack Medical Center in Hackensack, New Jersey, and I do the other part in a community support group, doing mindfulness group through Buddies of New Jersey. Um, what prompted me to take medical social work? It's so funny because I am a medical social worker. I've been employed at Hackensack Medical Center since 2000, and I do medical social work and discharge planning. So seeing the scholastic side and like what we learn and what the components that we're supposed to be doing, or at least that we're taught to do, to see how that would contrast to what we're actually doing or how it compares to what we're actually doing, I think is super interesting. And I actually chose this as my elective just to see that, you know, it's just interesting, and I'm pretty excited about it. And my takeaway from this course is, like I said, just to see the difference between what we're taught and what the educational expectations of medical social work are compared to like what the reality of medical social work is. So again, it's nice to meet you guys, and I look forward to this whole class. Take good care and be well. Bye bye.